welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to look at how to create custom background music for your YouTube videos using Suno AI. Finding good background music without worrying about copyright claims can be frustrating, but Suno makes the process fast and incredibly easy. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to suno.com. Log in or sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Create. Here is where we need to make a small adjustment to get the best results. Because we are making background music, we need to ensure the AI doesn't add singing. Toggle the Custom Mode switch on, and then activate the Instrumental button. This guarantees your track will be pure music. Now go to the Style of Music box. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want. You can type things like relaxing lofi beat, upbeat tech tutorial synth, or ambient acoustic guitar. The more descriptive you are about the mood and genre, the better your result will be. Once you have entered your style, click the Create button. Within seconds, Suno will generate 2 different variations of your track. Take a listen to both. If you like what you hear, simply click the download icon and save the audio file directly to your computer. You can now drop it straight into your video editor. If it is not exactly what you wanted, just tweak your description and try again. And that is all there is to it. You now have unique, royalty-free background music ready for your videos. If this guide helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.